안녕! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to make Korean spicy stir-fried pork, 제육볶음. When I was in college, I spent a lot of time in club room with my friends. We sat out for lunch when we didn't want to go out. One of my favorites was 제육볶음. We ordered that with steamed egg and soft top stew. 제육볶음 is one of the most popular dishes in Korea and it's not expensive. That means it's very affordable dish for college students. 제육볶음 reminds me of my college days. Okay, then let's set the table. First, prepare the sliced pork and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Slice the 5 stalks green onion into 5 cm, 1.9 inches long pieces. And chop 1 stick green onion for the garnish. After that, cut the onion into thin slices. Let's make a spicy sauce. In a bowl, put red pepper paste, red pepper powder, soy sauce, oligosaccharide, minced garlic, mirin, and ground black pepper. Mix well. After that, heat a frying pan and add the pork. Stir fry for 1 minute and add 1 tablespoon of sugar first to make pork absorb sweet taste. Stir fry well, and when the outside turns brown, put the spicy sauce. And put onion and green onion as well. Stirring occasionally to avoid burning. When the pork is cooked thoroughly, turn off the heat. I made perilla leaf bed for 제육볶음. Place the pork in serving plate and garnish with chopped green onion. I prepared the cooked rice and lettuce. Let's eat. First, I'm going to eat this pork only with this rice. Yummy. The pork is very soft and this sauce is amazing. It's not extremely hot. It's spicy enough. Next, I'm going to eat pork wrapped in lettuce leaves. On lettuce leaf, put rice and pork and 쌈장. We call this 쌈. The spiciness from the pork and the freshness from the lettuce. This is fantastic combination. I'm going to make another one. Okay. One, two, three. Today I made 제육볶음. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.